Meaning of homogenized.
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 Homogenized. Homogenized refers to the process of making something uniform or consistent throughout. This is commonly used in the context of food and dairy products, where homogenization involves breaking down the fat particles so they are evenly distributed throughout the product. As a result, the texture and appearance of the product becomes smoother and creamier. In some cases, homogenization can also affect the taste and nutritional value of the product. Overall, the purpose of homogenization is to improve the quality and consistency of the final product.